Watch how I created this Christmas ugly sweater in less than 10 minutes. Hello beautiful people, I hope you're doing well. So this was a quick project I wanted to share with you guys. So my daughter had school the next day and they needed them to wear an ugly sweater. Mind you, I've been looking for an ugly sweater in the store, but I couldn't find her size. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna come up with a DIY. So I decided to get a sweater that she had over in the house and use a thread, scissors, needle, and those accessories that I got from dollar store. I got these glasses from dollar store. They're so cute. And I got the elf hat too from dollar store. Those were the things she wore for different, because they had like a calendar. They had to dress like different Christmas characters every single day. So since I had this around the house, I was like, why not? We can just put that on to your pullover and it's gonna give us an ugly sweater. So there are two ways you can do this. You can use a thread and a needle if you want to, or if you're willing to let go of that sweater, you can use glue. I feel like glue works best because it's gonna give you like a smooth finish. But I was not willing to let go of this sweater. I didn't want to mess it up, so I just decided to use the thread. That's why you just be seeing thread poking around a little bit. But it was a last minute project. At this time, it was really late at night. I was ready to go to bed, but she was so sad, and I really wanted her to have a good day. So I decided to put this together for her before going to bed. So right now, I'm just placing them to see what I'm gonna get. Like, come up with the concept in my like what I had in mind. I was trying to like come. That's why we're just moving things around. But this is what I got, and I think this is perfect because it gives us like an elf wearing glasses kind of look. So yeah, once this was done, I just went ahead and threaded my needle and then just started sewing. So I just secured it. I didn't sew all around. I just secured in some specific spot. You're gonna see that ahead, and that was pretty much it. So I'm just gonna let you enjoy the video, and thank you so much for always sticking around, for supporting me. I really do appreciate it. And I wish you and family happy holidays, happy Christmas, and happy New Year 2026. I can't wait to see what the new year has in store for you all. And I wish you all the best in everything you do. Remember to continue showing love to one another. Stay safe out there. Love yourself more. Take care and remember to subscribe. Bye.